sleeping under the... Oh my god, it's dangerous. Is he lying down there or... Okay. Oh yeah, I'm afraid it's dead. Oh, it's coming out. No, he went inside. What is he doing there? He's playing on the road. Yeah. And then the owner will see me, what he will say. He's not coming out. White cat and a white under the white car. Yeah. Oh no, he's coming. Come on, now I can take a video. It's my first time to see a cat, a white cat. But now where is he now? He's seeking for a shadow. There you are. Yeah. Yeah. All over. It's white all over. Albino, yeah. Uh, there. There you. He's. It's going around with the car. From what? Oh.